Hello, my dear viewers. Good evening. Here you go. The buildings are being cleaned. The staff is there. They are cleaning the buildings. Okay, but the problem now, after the floods, is this sewage water is going into the main road. When it goes into the main road, again the quantity of water will increase on the main road, thereby causing too much problems. Here you go. And yeah, let me show you the main street. Okay. Yeah, but it's also necessary because the tap water has got mixed with the petrol and diesel sort of thing, or maybe even the sewage. So it's a need of the hour. But here you can see the main. Wait, you can't make puddles on it. It's so dirty water. Okay, so this is the condition over here in Jamal Abdul Nasser Street. The water level is still a fair bit here. Like if you have to cross the roads, you have to necessarily remove the shoes or whatsoever, and and it's risky. It's really, it can lead to many diseases. And I came to know, like, there is a building over here from the, just walk in a good way, walk slowly. There is a building over there, that building has not got electricity, and what I can say, it has not got water, drinking water, no electricity from last these all days since the flood has come, since the water level on the streets went so high. It has not at all got electricity and water. My God, it's unimaginable how those people could have managed. Yeah, of course, that road over there is cleaned, and this main road from the Jamal of the Nasser near the Mega Mart is cleaned, but Mega Mart still remains closed for the customers. The shops have started opening up, but once again they are busy in the cleaning up processes, because see, it's quite natural. They have to clean all the shop. Here you go, another building here, throwing off the water, cleaning their water pump system, cleaning up the water pump system like this, throwing it away onto this street, this lane. There will further creating problems for that poor grocery person whose water level somehow got reduced, but now this thing will again, I think, create problems. I don't know. Have a look. My God.